With the full advent of the intelligent era, the industrial sector's demand on equipment have reached new heights. Today, we present to you an ARM architecture-based single-board computer that perfectly combines exceptional performance, rich functionality, and industrial-grade reliability, providing your device with robust power and solid assurance. This single-board computer features a quad-core or octa-core ARM Cortex architecture. It is equipped with a variety of chip solutions such as Rockchip, Qualcomm, and Allwinner. It meets diverse performance needs. It comes pre-installed with Android or Linux or Ubuntu operating system, offering a complete development environment to help you quickly achieve intelligent upgrades for your devices. With multiple system and chip solution, it can seamlessly replacing existing setups, providing you with flexible choices to adapt to various application scenarios. It offers a full range of standard interfaces, including USB, RJ45, HDMI, Type-C, and GPIO and UART, which catering to diverse connectivity requirement. This board can also be customized according to the customer needs. Moreover, it supports a wealth of optional features including Bluetooth, 5G, 4G modules, Wi-Fi, GPS, and more, offering you flexible application expansion. Additionally, it supports different DDR and EMC configuration, ensuring you can flexible choose according to your actual needs, meeting high performance computing and storage demands. Its design is simple and compact with dimension as small as 135 by 95 mm or less, making it easy to integrate into various devices and providing more possibilities for your product design. Manufactured with industrial grade standards and subjected to rigorous 72 hours aging tests, it ensures stable operation even in extreme environments, providing you with high reliability assurance.